Arge MES is dedicated to improving efficiency and quality through the systems it establishes in factories, offering software, hardware, and consultancy services. Arge MES treats each factory as a unique project, developing and implementing a customized production philosophy tailored to the specific needs of each factory. Arge MES provides MES system consultancy through modules such as human resources, quality, cutting, material control, machine tracking, orders, bonuses, production, efficiency, and OEE. It also offers ERP system consultancy through modules such as warehouse, material planning, cost, purchasing, inventory, sales, and counting. Arge MES develops technical solutions and implements the appropriate technique at the right time for companies. The Arge MES consultancy team approaches application consultancy by analyzing and handling each project objectively and in alignment with the company's foundational elements. Rather than imposing its own ideas, the goal is to involve the company in the process, ensuring it takes ownership of the project. The focus is on integrating the company's knowledge and insights with Arge MES thoughts and ideas. The realities of each situation can vary depending on the circumstances at the moment. Arge MES, through its ERP and MS consultancy services, provides the ability and freedom to use accurate, real-time data in the right place. Arge MES closely follows production trends, such as lean manufacturing and Industry 4.0, selecting the techniques best suited to factories or processes. It blends these techniques with its own production methods and implements them effectively. With its consultancy services, Arge MES establishes a work and methods development department within the factory. It equips this department with skills to improve efficiency and quality. Upon project completion, it provides the necessary knowledge, skills, and training to ensure the continuous improvement of efficiency and quality.